Hey guys, your girl Jan. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be filming for you guys this go-to drugstore beat of mine. If you like what you see, then just keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe first though. So of course we starting out with the Precise Brows already done, complete, finished. If you want to see how I did that, click the link above. All right, and we're going to start with our Master Prime by Maybelline to prime our face. And following that primer, we're going to go ahead and moisturize our lips. We're going to be using two foundations today. We're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the Dewy finish. And then we're also going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. These two together, I feel like give me the perfect finish that I love. It's not dry and matte, but it's also not too dewy. It's like a nice satin finish in between. So I love combining these two together. A really big key to making sure that drugstore doesn't look inexpensive or look tacky is making sure that you take your time when it comes to blending. Make sure you blend as much as you can so that it is as seamless as it can be. And for concealer today, we going in with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Gig Wop, NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. This is my favorite all-time concealer out of all of them, drugstore and prestige. So using this and highlighting all the high points of our face, I'm also going to go ahead and reverse contour there at the bottom as well. And then we're just going to blend that out. You'll be putting concealer on my eyes as well as putting on my cream contour. I always conceal my eyes because they are darker than the rest of my face. And if I was doing a shadow, I would prime them anyways. So even if I'm not doing a shadow, I always make sure to conceal them and then set those as well. And today I'll be taking this little tapered fluffy brush and setting my eyes and everywhere I put my concealer. And now I'll be taking my Black Radiance contour palette and contouring my face, chiseling out those cheekbones and anywhere else I feel like needs a little shadow work to look more defined. And I'll be going in with this smaller fluffy brush and contouring my nose. Make sure you don't overdo it. I always do a lot and then I have to go back and do twice as much work so it doesn't look as intense. And here you'll see me going across the bridge of my nose. That's just a little trick that I use so that my nose doesn't look super long. It kind of like cuts your nose in half. So if you feel like your nose looks really long, that's why I do that. And then here I'll be reverse contouring with my banana powder. And I don't like to let this sit or bake because then it'll become too defined and it'll look like a straight line. It looks really bad. So don't let that sit for too long. And then I'll be setting my face with my Morphe setting mist. And it looks like we almost out. So yikes. Now I'll be going in with my favorite blush. This is a Bake Blush by Black Radiance in the color Almond. And adding some color to my face, my cheeks. And I like to do my forehead too. Just overall give it some color. And then I'll be going in with this highlighter as well from Black Radiance. Highlighting the high points of my face, cheekbones, underneath my brow, my nose, the bridge. And if I'm not doing a shadow for the day, I usually go in with whatever face powder I was using and also a little bit of my contour palette and just add in some more depth so that my eyes don't look so dull. And then I'll be going back into this highlighter and highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. And I'm prepping my lashes with this big Colossal mascara by Maybelline. And I'll be doing the top and the bottom. For lashes today, I'll be using Iconic by iEnvy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know the style. Not a clue. But I looked at their lashes and they're a pretty good range, so any of them will really do, especially for every day. Even for glam, it really just depends on how you wear them. Then I'll be going back to wipe off that moisturizer, and I'll be applying this Lime lip gloss from the beauty supply store. And this is it, you know, that's the last step. It's a wrap. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, then make sure to comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Like, if you're not subscribed to the channel, damn, what are you doing? Like, that was it. This is it. That was it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out.